my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the half double crochet, how to make a round of half double crochet, and how to turn and start the second row. So in a previous episode we learned how to make a chain and how to slip knot. Now we will be continuing from that point on. Remember to wrap your yarn around your fingers like that to control the tension, and then use these fingers to hold your work. So to create the height of a half double crochet, we will be skipping the first 3 stitches, and we will be half double crocheting in the 4th. So yarn over, insert your hook in the 4th chain, yarn over again and pull up a loop. You'll be having 3 loops on hook. And now yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And this is a stitch that is in between a single crochet and a double crochet compared to size. So it's not as small as a double crochet, but it's not as small as a single crochet, but not as tall as a double crochet. So it's like in between stitch. So let's make another one. Yarn over, insert your hook inside the chain, yarn over again, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And that's your half double crochet. So let me finish this row, and then I will show you how to turn and start your next row. So this is the last chain, pull through all 3, and this is how it looks like, your first row. Now turn around, and to make up for the height on a first chain, on a first stitch, we will be chaining 2. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and this one counts as a half double crochet. And we will be making the next half double crochet in the following stitch. So as you can see, the stitch is made of 2 loops, a front loop and a back loop. You insert your hook through both, underneath through both loops. So yarn over, insert your hook underneath, yarn over again, and you have your 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 3, and that's your half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook through both underneath the stitch, yarn over and pull a loop. Make sure it's loose, it's not too tight. Yarn over, pull through all 3. And this is how you make your rows from now on. Just chain 2 at the beginning and then continue with your stitches through the end. So as you remember, we skipped 2 stitches here to make up the first half double crochet. You're now going to crochet through that chain on top. So yarn over, insert your hook inside that chain, not the first but the second, yarn over, pull through, you have your 3 loops, yarn over and make your half double crochet. And this is how the half double crochet pattern looks like. And this is it. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. Don't forget to follow me on social media and subscribe to Crafting Happiness YouTube channel for more free tutorials like this one. Happy crocheting!